Good morning. Um, I'm going to explain what you have to do for Italian. So let's read this together. Attached, please find the PowerPoint and the video explanation of the PowerPoint. So the PowerPoint is this one, and the video explanation is this one, which will help you understand the cultural context of the bar in Italy and better understand the given listening comprehension. After watching the video, please attempt learning apps game. So after you do the PowerPoints, you are going to go on the learning apps game. And what you're going to do here is you're going to match the word with the picture. You know how to do this more than me because I'm not very good at Italian. You're much better than Italian than me. So after you do that, you're going to listen to the audio twice and answer the given questions on the Google form. Mela, the Google form is this one. And the first question is, what is the client ordering? And you have to see, you have to tick which one the client is ordering. I can't click next, but I'm sure they're all the same. So you're going to choose one. I'm going to choose one at random because I haven't listened to the audio recording. Now, if you want, you can translate the page into English to help you. So suppose something's up here comes up, you click it, and you can choose between English and Italian. Now, the translation won't be exact, so be careful. But you get an idea. For example, the client wants to have lunch, true or false. So you're going to listen to the recording and then you're going to answer these. And that's all you have to do.